Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to sign up into Vinted. You can either do this via the app or the website. For now, we're going to be doing it through the website. So we're going to be opening Google Chrome. You can open a browser of your choice and then in the search bar simply type in Vinted. And then hit go or enter on your keyboard, tap on the first link. Choose your language, we're going to be selecting English. Choose your country, for now we're going to be selecting United States. Accept all cookies. Tap on the three lines at the top right of your screen and then hit sign up or log in. Tap on register with email. Here you must enter your full name, your username, your email, your password along with your zip code. Agree to these and then hit continue. After this, you may have to enter an OTP sent to your email to confirm your email, and then you can head back over to the top right of your screen and then hit sign up or login and then tap on login. Tap on login with email as we sign up with email. Here you can enter your username or email along with your password that you set up and then hit continue to log into your Vinted account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.